Close-Up. Shamir's new technology takes into account your patient's near PD to achieve the highest visual performance. Adding the near PD to the calculation of the lens results in an optimally personalized lens customized to the patient's prescription, achieving a lens that meets today's visual performance demands. With a simple measurement of near PD, Close-Up provides the solution for convergence irregularities or disorders, including non-standard far PD, pupil asymmetry, atypical head tilt, monovision, functional convergence, divergence problem, non-standard work distance, or non-adaptation to progressive lensing. By adding the mono near PD measurement to your order parameters, you will be able to provide your patients with the near vision performance they deserve. Shamir Close-Up technology, now available with our premium progressive lenses.